viewers, welcome to Sri Lankan Chef. Today I am going to show you one of the Sri Lankan delicious food, grape spicy tikka. Now see the ingredients: grape, green chili, coconut scrape, onion, Maggi straw powder, salt, cardamom, cumin seeds, and curry leaf. That's all. The first step, we need to cut the onion and green chili into small slices. Secondly, we need to make coconut milk. So I'm going to blend the coconut scrape with the help of blender. Now let's see the process how to make grape spicy tikka. Now take an empty bowl on the stove with medium flame. Now I am going to add all the ingredients one by one. After 30 minutes, your dish will be ready to serve. Now see the grape spicy tikka, how much delicious. Once you try, you never miss again. Hope you guys, my video will be helping you in your kitchen. See you next time with new recipe.